Hello everyone, this is Carmelo with the Nolan Group here at XP Realty, and I have a beautiful home located in the southwest area of Cape Coral. The address is 4608 14th Avenue in Cape Coral. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, dent and pool home. It's got a brand new roof, a lot of upgrades just for those who like to relocate from cold weather like Canada, New York, or even Chicago. So come on down, take a look at it. If you want a private showing, I can do that as well online. But right now, I'm just going to show you what we have. It's a beautiful home, so I hope you enjoy it. If you want more information about our services or more information, photos, or videos about the property, feel free to hit us an email or give us a call, 239-603-5299. So right now, let's take a look at it and let's come inside.